Can y'all really feel me? Fellas, West Coast killer. Fellas, West Coast killer. Say what? Dirty South. Here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl, East Coast killer. West Coast killer. Can you feel us? Dirty South. Dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me?
Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm styling this synthetic HD lace wig. So if you're interested in how I style this wig, please keep on watching. Okay, so this is the wig right here. It is from Sensationnel and it is called Solana. I got it in the color number 1. And this is the HD lace. It's a Swiss lace. So I'm going to get started. This is how the wig looks out the packaging. The lace in the front. 2 combs. A comb in the back. And the adjustable straps. And this is a 13x6 lace. And it's supposed to be hand tied, pre-plucked to create a natural hairline. So let's get into it.
I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a f. I ain't come to argue, let a please, baby. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up. Got that black boy joy, might do my dance on him. Take no disrespect, might put my hands on him. Hit this chicken, now she wanna marry me. But she gon' need some closure and some therapy. Came back to the city with my bank account on F. Giving rappers I know they happy that I left. Hit the south in winter, I just put down my deposit. 82 degrees, I left that jacket in my closet.
Feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
Hey, look, came in with the what's that? Left out with the who she. Laying game like 2D, I been kicking like Bruce Lee. Margarita to the brim tip, black denim need a slim fit. Same people that I flex with be the ones that I'm in the gym with. I'm a living legend, you a dead cause and I'm dead. No, I'm dead, right? Leaving early, but I'm here night. Long and short to keep the head right. Teed up out in Malibu, got sand all in my good shoes. Press with the pessimism, but I only came for the good news. I am the show that they came for, hitting the target I aim for. We been discussing the contract, just telling they get what they paid for. I am not with poverty, really it started to bother me. I need the yacht with the property, that come with the view that you gotta see. Came up from the basement, hit the rooftop with a passion. Bad with some good credit and a good sense for the fashion. Dope blowing with the left hand, gripping with the right hand. Uber share to the airport, I'ma hit you back when my flight
Bill, I'm
land.
in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me.
Okay, so this is the final results of the wig. Parting space. I tried to do some baby hairs. This is my first time doing baby hairs, so overall I would rate this wig an 8 out of 10. I was gonna say 7 out of 10, but now that I finished, I actually love the hairline. It does look realistic and undetectable like it said, and it was pre-plucked. I only plucked a little bit in the front. Pros are I love the hairline, I love the undetectable lace, the Swiss lace, and the cons would be that this hair sheds a lot. When I opened out the package, it was shedding already, and when I cut the lace, it was shedding even more. So that's definitely a con, and it's also not big head friendly. So if you have a big head, I would not recommend this wig at all. Also, I wouldn't consider this an everyday wig because it tangles. You probably can get about 4 wears out of this. This is not an everyday wig. I would call this a special occasion wig if you just want to pop out looking cute. But let's get into the hairline. This is the length on me. Let me show you the back. This is the back of the hair. Another con is I didn't like the density. I feel like you can see the wefts in the back. So when I wear this, I'm gonna wear like half of it going back, just so you don't see the wefts. And I would have to cornrow my hair because I have a lot of hair. But Solana is giving what's supposed to be gave. It's cute. And I'll leave the link down where I ordered the wig from. So if you're interested, you can purchase this. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.